Welcome back to the channel, boys and girls. My groundskeeper, Irakio, is catching some big old fish. Huh? Ay? Oh yeah. Palometita. Huh? Oh, hay otro. Hay otro, huh? Yeah, see, he first cast with the old tarafa. Those things are awesome, man. I'm gonna show you guys what they're all about, but they are amazing, man. One cast, I think it spreads to like 9 or 10 or 12 feet or something like that. And old Rivaldo's gonna go get the pescadito. Palometa de sardinha para gato.
No, salido, había un grande.
Palometita.
Palometita.
Y sardina, sí.
Sardina. ¿Lleva o no al agua otra vez?
¿Ah?
¿Al agua o para gato?
No, para gatito, para gato. Es un guasaco, ¿no?
Ese guasaco.
Oh, peligroso guasaco. Ok. Uno para gato, uno para Harry, otro para gato, otro para Harry.
Chiquito.
Sí, sí, sí. Alright, first cast, guys. But we are fishing for both of us today. Try to get the big old ones. The big Boca Chicos and stuff. But these will be awesome for the cats and the dogs. Oh, they love their sushi. Well, that one's trying to get away. We got a prisoner on the run. Prisoner on the run. Fugitivo. A fugitive. We got our fugitive. Fugitivo. All right, second cast. Nothing. Yeah, you got to kind of chase them around. But there's loads of the bigger ones. But you gotta chase them around. These will be good for the kitty and the doggies for tonight. And if we catch our big ones, the big ones are gonna be for me. Gato, mira gato, mira por gato, mira gato. You like it, this one, huh? It's gonna slap you in the face. Mira gato. Yushki, you happy, huh? You happy? You know what's up? You know what's up, Niuszki, te papiluszki moje. Niuszaczki, papiluszaczki, and the gatos. They are going straight into the sink, where even the gato won't get in, because he's a clever little boy. He gets in the sink. This little guy. And then what he does is he knocks them out. And then she eats them. They're a couple of regular hoodlums, these two. That's what they do. That's what you do, right, Kichus? That's what you do? That is what you do. That is what my Kichusha do. I'm gonna put something heavy on it, just just to be sure that that little terrorist doesn't get to him. So guys, let's go back. Come on guys, let's go fishing. Come on, Kichush and Negritka, let's go fishing. Come on, let's go fishing. Come on, baby, let's go fishing. Whoa, that was a nice throw. And in hopes that when, see? Ooh, my paiche has shown itself. But they are clever because see, over here we got a net locking the entire pond away. So if they try to escape, they'll run right into this here. But oh yeah, my big paiche, my big 5 foot, 6 foot fish now. She's probably about 5-6 feet now. And I got the male on this side. Probably another half a year maybe, and they'll grow big enough to reproduce. Acá más atrás, no sé, de 3 metros más, ¿no? Hay un palo, ya acá cuida bajo, pero una mi anzuelo, ¿no? Con una pescadito con 6 anzuelos. No sé, algo torres, pasar acá, bajo de palo y ¡pum! Rompe. Entonces posible mi anzuelo están acá, bajo de un palo acá. No toca con su mano acá, pero cuida, te picas, ¿no? Yeah, guys, we are 0 for 4 right now. The first one was a good one for the cats and dogs. That'll be pretty good, but the paiche is very clever. It's a very clever fish because one time we moved the entire thing along, and we kind of like closed them all off in that corner. And the paiche just kind of jumped like salto. It saltoed right out of the water over my guy's shoulder, over the net, and then onto the other side. Yeah, guys. So yeah, we're gonna continue fishing. If we catch some big ones, one more cast. We'll wait up for one more cast. But they're clever, these fishies, man. They are clever, these fishies, and none of them has tried to escape. None of them has tried to escape. What I'm going to do is I'm probably going to get in with my big old stick. Aquí. Sí. Alright guys, I'm gonna jump in and maybe try to scare them out of the bush. Alright, thank you for tuning in. Hasta la ciao ciao, bye for now from the Amazon. Over and out.